Hello everyone. Again, this is Divina and today I will be discussing to you a new topic and it's titled vowels. Okay, so what is a vowel or what are vowel sound and letters? So it says here that vowel sound or a vowel is a sound produced by making the vocal cords vibrate and letting the air pass through the oral cavity without obstruction. Okay, so we have the three major parts. We have tongue, lips, and due to a properly pronounce the letters in sound. Okay, so what are these vowel letters? Okay, before we proceed with the vowel letters, let us have first the two types of vowel sound. So we have short vowels and long vowels. Short vowels, let's have first the short vowels. Short vowels are vowel sounds that are pronounced in a short form. So in a short form. And we also have the long vowels. Long vowel is a vowel sound that is pronounced the same way as the name of the letter itself. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so for short vowels, we have A as A. Okay, the jaw is somewhat lowered, the tongue is down in front. Okay, for example, for a short sound for letter A is we have apple, at, bat, ass, map, and mat. So those are examples of short sound of letter A. Okay, for letter E, the lips and teeth are apart, the tongue and jaw are lowered halfway. Example, we have egg, elm, let, wet, leg, and mesh. Okay, so those are words or example of the short sound for letter E. Okay, sometimes EA will make the short sound of E. Example, read, bread, dead, head, and tread. Okay. Another is we have the short sound for E. The teeth are about a half inch apart. The tongue is high and relaxed. Example, in, it, sit, with, and fish. Okay. For y sometimes takes I sound. Usually this is when y occurs at the end of a word of more than one syllable. Example, baby, daddy, funny, family. Okay, so those are short sound for letter Y that sounds I. Okay, for letter O, we have the jaws are open halfway, the lips relaxed, and the tongue down. Example, up, cup, must, jug, hug, and hut. Okay, so those are four short sound of vowels. Let's now have the long vowel sound. Okay, so we have here for letter A, the jaws are open about a half inch. The tongue is down. Example, baby, baby, cake, nail, and day. Okay. For long sound of E, we have see, tree, eat, seat, me, and we. Let's have the long sound for letter I. We have bicycle, idea, like, vine. Okay, we also have here IGH in a word also says I, also sounds I. That means AI. Example is we have high, light, sight, and sigh. We also have here Y sometimes takes the AI sound as well. Example, cry, my, fry, spy, and why. Okay, for the long sound of O, we have go, so, hope, rope, coat, road, blow, snow, and throw. Okay. And let's have the last one, letter U. The long sound for U, we have example here is cube, fuse, hue, cue, few, and pew. Pew as in P-E-W. Okay. So I think that would be all for our vowel sounds. We just have to remember that we have two types of vowel sounds. Again, the two types of vowel sounds, we have short vowel sound and the long vowel sounds. And we also have the five vowel letters, which